The reason I invested in Paragua Coastown,
Yeah.
it's focused on nature, preserving natural sustainability.
Wow.
And I really love how this town will, in the future, become a world-leading tourist attraction.
Hi future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor. So for today's vlog, we're here in Paragua Coastown by Megaworld. And together with me is Mr. Manuel, our valued client who acquired 2-bedroom condominium unit in Oceanfront, one of our project here in Paragua Coastown. So Sir Manuel, can you please share some insights or why you invested here in Paragua Coastown?
The reason I invested in Paragua Coastown, it's focused on nature, preserving natural sustainability.
Wow.
And I really love how this town will, in the future, become a world-leading tourist attraction for many people around the world. As I discover more, I get to fall in love with the food and the people, and get connected to the ocean, the nature. And the food is just amazing. I cannot say more about the food here. The locals really put a personal touch to their food. And this is what I love about living here.
Yeah, and also remember, sir, before getting to Paragua Coastown, we were able to explore the island, isn't it? So the first activity that we had is go to an island hopping, right? So what's your best experience dun sa island hopping na?
My best experience is seeing a fleet of boats and connecting different islands and people sharing their experience and being able to dive and see nature and the corals. It's a beautiful experience. So that's what I love about when we went island hopping.
Yeah.
In addition to enjoying some snorkeling and some diving with the fishes, we were able to also have some time at Port Barton and enjoy some nice, refreshing drinks by the bay. That was really, really nice. And everything is just seems very, very calm, and the people seem very enthusiastic with foreigners and the people around. It's really cool.
Yes, thank you so much for sharing, Mr. Manuel. And can you please invite and encourage our future investors to also come and discover the beauty of Paragua Coastown? Feel free to encourage them.
Yes. Everyone should research about here, Paragua Coastown from Megaworld, right? Megaworld.
Yeah.
Because this place has a lot of potential, and if you invest a little property, you'll enjoy the beauty of Palawan. So please come and subscribe to his channel.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel here at your top realtor.
Right.
Yeah. Thank you so much, and thank you also for investing with or here in Paragua Coastown. So it's really you got really a slice of paradise.
A slice, and maybe some more.
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you so much, and see you soon, guys. Bye for now.